Okay, sleight of hand. Hick! I'm a master thief now.
Tools are expensive, bro. Nature is free.
Stealth mode, hick. Nat 1. Just spicy snow. Oh, we found ourselves in a room with these magic, hick, portals.
Blitch, this tastes like feet.
Let's see. A riddle. Bro, hick, that's a nat 20 on gross. Never trust a man with wet bread. Always bring a rogue and duct tape. Why do doors hate me? It's personal now. I failed a door once. Never recovered. That's a nat 20 in PAIN, hick. So yeah, hick, we either step in or the DM rage quits. Questlog Season 3. Sand is spicy snow. Hick, hick. These quests are always full of surprises. Hick. Okay, so another day, another chaotic quest with these guys. Hiccup! I knew this was a mistake! Hiccup! Hey! No, get away from me! We're heading out to the desert, hick, the ocean, and even a few, hick, hick, magic portals.